Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. In today's lesson, we're going to learn to use the rhythm of sound to speak the sounds of words. We're going to form 3 to 4 letter words that end in the consonant blend SK. In forming a 3-letter word, we will put the consonant blend SK at the end of the vowel with the short vowel sound. In forming 4-letter words, we will put the consonant blend SK at the end of different consonant and vowel blends that have the short vowel sound. When we read the words that we form, we will not sound out each single letter within the words. Instead, we will say the sound of the blends as whole units when we read the words. Reading blends as whole units will make you a faster reader. Now, though all the words that we form will end with the same consonant blend, SK, all the words will not rhyme together. The words that will rhyme together are the words that will have the same vowel lettering that comes before the ending consonant blend SK. What is a blend? A blend is 2 or more letters put together that when we sound out the letters together, they can either make 2 separate sounds or they can make a whole new sound. Within this lesson, the blends that we use to form words, though we will read them as whole units, when we sound out the words, the letters within the blends will make separate sounds. And as we read the words, we will hear their separate sounds. Therefore, in this lesson, we will see a 3-letter word, and we will hear 3 separate sounds. And we will see 4-letter words. And within each 4-letter word, we will hear a total of 4 different sounds, though we will read each blend within the 4-letter words as whole units. Now, let us begin forming words. Today we will use the consonant letter S with the consonant letter K to form the consonant blend SK. In the blend SK, when the blend is read, each letter makes 2 separate sounds. Let us sound out the blend together. Say the S sound, S. Say the K sound, K. Now say the S sound and the K sound together smoothly, Sk. Now, throughout this lesson, we will read the consonant blend Sk as a whole unit. Great job. Now, the blend Sk is not a standalone word. What is a standalone word? A standalone word is a word that has its own meaning in and of itself. Therefore, since the blend sk in and of itself does not have a particular meaning, it is not a standalone word. The blend sk is merely used to help form words that are standalone words. In this lesson, we will form words using the blend sk at the end of the words. Now, let us prepare to form many words that end in the consonant blend sk. Here on the screen is a single vowel and many consonant and vowel blends that are placed in 4 separate columns. We will form words within 1 column at a time, starting with the first column. We will follow this order of forming words throughout this lesson. First, we will say the sound of the vowel and the sound of the consonant and vowel blends within the first column. Ready? Repeat after me. A, ba, ca, ma, ta. Great job. Now, I will put the consonant blend sk at the end of the vowel and at the end of the consonant and vowel blends within the first column to form words. Finally, next to each of the consonant blends, I will put each word that is formed. We will now sound out each word together. When we complete the first column, we will move on to the second column and so on. After we finish forming and sounding out each of the words together, we will review the words that we formed. Let us sound out the words. Ready? Let us begin. Ask, ask. Bask, bask. Cask, cask. Mask, mask. Task, task. Great job. Now, let us say the sound of the consonant and vowel blend within the second column. Ready? Let us begin. De. Now, I will put the consonant blend, sk, at the end of the consonant and vowel blend within the second column. Finally, next to the consonant blend, I will put the word that is formed. Now, let us sound out the word. Desk, desk. Great job. Now, let us say the sound of the consonant and vowel blends within the third column. Ready? Let us begin. Di, ri. Great job. Now, I will put the consonant blend, sk, at the end of the consonant and vowel blends within the third column. Finally, next to the consonant blends, I will put each word that is formed. Now, let us sound out the words. Ready? Let us begin. Disc, disc. Risk, risk. Great job. Now, let us say the sound of the consonant and vowel blends within the fourth column. Ready? Let us begin. Duh, huh, muh, tuh. Great job. Now I will put the consonant blend, sk, at the end of the consonant and vowel blends within the fourth column. Finally, next to each of the consonant blends, I will put each word that is formed. Now, let us sound out the words. Ready? Let us begin. Dusk, dusk. Husk, husk. Musk, musk. Tusk, tusk. Great job. Now we will review all the words that we formed. Ready? Let us begin. Ask, bask, cask, mask, task, desk, disc, risk, dusk, husk, musk, tusk. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 15. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few minutes every day and review the words that we formed. And remember that we are to sound out the blends in each word with a smooth flow when we read the words. If you find it difficult to read the words, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can read each word smoothly using the sounds of the blends together. When you can read each word with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning to read today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye bye.